Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. WhatsApp delete message recovery. So here I'm gonna teach you how to recover a message on your WhatsApp. I got a few tips for you here. So first tip is just delete restore. You can restore it by using the local what do you call this local file. So all you need to do is just uninstall the app and then reinstall the app, and then when you verify your number, and then the app will ask you to tap restore. So just tap the restore, then it will let you restore and then this will restore from the local backup data. And method number two is from your Google Drive. So uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it from Play Store, open it, and then verify your number. Tap restore when prompted. Wait for it to finish restoring your chats and then media, and then there you go. So, and guys, a really quick note for you: this only works if your Google Drive backup is turned on before message were deleted. So, Google Drive backup, you can find that in your settings right here. There you go. You're gonna find a Google Drive. Google Drive. There we go. Backup. Chat backups. There we go. There you go. And as you can see, once it's on automatic backup, just turn it on, put it on daily. So when it's what do you call this? So you don't lose your. So you can have their what do you call this? You can have your you can have your backups daily, so it won't matter if you delete a message or what. You can just restore it by just deleting it and then click on restore, just doing that again what I've teach you guys. So yeah, so there you go, just put it on daily if you want. There you go. So now we're just not gonna turn that on, so we're just gonna go back now. And there you go, that's how you do it, guys. Oh, and a quick tip for you guys, for iPhone users, but I don't have iPhone users. I don't have an iPhone. You can do is check if a backup exists. You can just go to your settings and then your name, of course. Then go to your iCloud, then manage storage, backup, and then find the WhatsApp, and then delete and reinstall WhatsApp. Open it and verify your number, and then tap restore chat history. So it's like the same thing, but you'll get all message saved in that iCloud backup. So yeah, it's like the same thing because iCloud saved it. But here on Android, you have Google Drive. So yeah, there you go, guys. And last note for you guys: WhatsApp doesn't keep copies of your chats on its servers for privacy reasons. So yeah, there you go. But you can try what I've teach you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer you. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.